If you want to take high-resolution photos on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then after opening the camera, you can make sure that you are in the photo mode, because in the photo mode, if you tap on this arrow over here in the top right corner, you will open these options. And the photo mode has the quality option that can be switched from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. And of course, if you use 50 megapixel camera, you will definitely capture photos in higher resolution. Of course, besides that, some other stuff like the lighting and the environment, etc., this also has an impact on the quality of the photo, or even whether you are zooming in or not. So just keep that in mind. However, if we are strictly talking about the resolution, then this single option will definitely help you increase the resolution of your photos that you take in this camera to the highest resolution possible. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!